Welcome back to WJZ9. Where's Marty John Sauer, creator of Titanic and Immersive Voyage. We're now standing in an exact recreation, even to the pattern of the rivets of the first-class entrance.
That's right. This is the D-deck entrance. First-class passengers would have come right through this door where Captain Smith would have greeted them on the other side.
Okay, so you have actual artifacts from Titanic, her sister ship, and two other ships involved in the sinking.
That's right. So we have over 200 artifacts here in the experience that each one is curated to help you learn more about the story in the area you're in. So here we're in the departure gallery where everybody gets a boarding pass as they enter the ship. You actually become a passenger as you board the ship.
So you also have this huge immersive experience.
The immersive experience is a showstopper. It was my original idea behind the whole show. I wanted to use Titanic's final words from Marconi Messages to tell Titanic's final 2 hours of her story in a way that you would experience it while you're sitting in a lifeboat, watching Titanic go down.
So you put I keep wanting to say AR, VR, because that's the technical name of our new studio, but the reality glass is on and you go for it.
So the VR is a separate element. We have a projection room, the immersive room, but there's also a VR room. So this show goes on forever. You can dive to the wreck in virtual reality and see it better than if you dove to it in a submersible yourself.
And probably a little bit more safe, but that's a spoiler alert. So here's the Baltimore connection. A man named Walter Lord, who I'm pretty sure grew up in Roland Park, wrote a book called The Night to Remember.
The seminal book of the Titanic story. I read it over a dozen times in creating this experience.
A Baltimorean. And then a Baltimore lady named Lucy Polk Carter was a survivor of the wreck and went on to help chronicle it.
That's right. She helped tell the story of Titanic long after the ship had gone down.
And there were a lot of ladies. There's a whole segment of this story about the women of the Titanic and their absolute bravery in the face of tragedy and death. John, thanks so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Marty.
Have a great, hopefully 6-month run here in Baltimore.
Thank you so much. All aboard.
All aboard is right. By the way, that was the band leader's boarding pass?
This is Wallace Hartley's boarding pass, yes.
Not a good ending.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. Back to TV Hill.